What's going on, everyone? We are in Hollywood Studios and specifically Toy Story Land to ride Toy Story Midway Mania. And then I don't know what else we're doing. Taylor's, Graham and Ann are here. We're gonna kind of hang out with them, and
yeah, today's like their last full day, so.
I don't know what we're gonna do. Maybe get some food or get some drinks or walk around and sweat to death. Who knows?
Yeah. A little of all of that.
Yeah. I don't know.
I'm gonna win this though. Gonna win.
Of course. I'm not even gonna deny it.
Hey, watch this! I'm the best in vehicle. Best in vehicle. As usual.
So I don't think it's ever any surprise that Taylor always and continues to win. And I didn't even try.
He didn't. He just recorded that time, so he
Because
wouldn't have won anyway.
That's all the more I could do. I will say that I love the theming in there.
Oh,
There was
yeah.
like a little family in front of us, and this little girl was like, "Mommy, somebody like colored on the walls," and it's like, yeah, I mean, it's supposed to look like that because it's like Andy's room, and you know they were coloring outside of the lines. You know, it was cute. It was very cool.
We're gonna go see the preview for The Nutcracker in the Four Realms here in Walt Disney Presents.
So if you don't know, back here in Walt Disney Presents, there's a lot of really cool things that you can see if you've never been back in here, along with some previews for first-time run movies or movies that are coming out here soon. But you can see a lot of cool things like the multiplane camera, Walt Disney's desk. They have like a replica of the, what's the castle?
Disneyland, Sleeping Beauty's castle?
Yeah, Sleeping Beauty's
And
castle.
Cinderella right there.
And Cinderella's. Very cool. You can actually also see Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, which I think we've showed before, but still very cool. So we just saw the preview for the new Nutcracker movie that Disney's making, or has made, and it's coming out in theaters in December. Is that right?
Soon.
And I gotta say, from watching commercials, I haven't actually like really been excited to watch it or see it. But after seeing that like sneak peek preview, I think it's I don't know. I feel like
Doesn't look too bad.
I feel like it actually might be worth going and seeing.
I think it looks like a version of Alice in Wonderland.
It does kind of have
So-
like that, I don't know, weird.
Yeah. But we have
Feeling
AMC
theme.
A-list, so we will probably go see it.
Yeah, I'm sure we still will. But I don't know, if you haven't and you're on the fence, maybe check that out if you're here, because I don't know. I think I would.
It's like a 15-minute preview, so.
Yeah, I would see it.
Gonzo? Gonzo? Yes, sir? We have no phone. Well, I get one.
So it's super hot out, and we don't have a fast pass until like 1:30. So we're actually gonna jump in here to Muppet Vision and watch it because it's in the AC, number one. And this is a great place if you need to take a nap.
Josh almost tripped over me.
If you need to take a nap, this is a great place to do it. It's AC and relaxing and cool. All right, I think that's going to do it for us today here at Hollywood Studios. It's really hot out.
It's really hot.
We're like super tired, and we're going to go home and take a nap. And then we're actually going to meet back up with Taylor's family and eat dinner tonight over at Wolfgang Puck's.
Yeah.
So if you have never, that's the...
Express. It's
Yeah.
the quick service.
So we're going to probably do a dining review from there because we haven't done one yet.
No,
have
we
eaten there
haven't.
before.
Yeah.
So
And it was good food, so
it was
yeah,
very good.
I think this will be a good dining review for a counter service.
Yeah, especially for the price. I think it's good food for the price. All right.
I think we had a nice day here at Hollywood Studios besides the heat.
Yeah, it was pretty.
We did
it's
get to
pretty
ride
nice.
Toy Story Mania, cooled down in Muppets, and got to see the Nutcracker preview, and then
Yeah.
went to Tower of Terror.
Yep.
So I caught a lot of Pokemon, and we're all set. It drives Josh crazy.
Yeah. Bye.